Yan, saan ka ba papwesto?
Ano ba gagawin?
Dito ka, hahampasin ni Mami. Dapat niya sa likod natin siya. O, dito ka, Dre, uupo. Dapat sa harapan kami. Dito ka lang uupo sa harapan.
Sa likod mo.
Ay, sige,
Dapat
yan.
sa likod eh. Usig kaya natin.
Ay,
Hindi.
pwede natin iusig to, iusig na lang.
Dapat sa likod talaga.
Sa likod ka talaga.
sa ilalim.
Pupunta ka sa likod mo eh.
Game, game.
Okay.
Saan ako?
I don't wanna do this
Dito
anymore.
palagay ako sa paper. Dito ka lang sa upo.
Dito
Sa,
ka, oh.
Dito ako sa tabi ko.
Wait lang.
Ano mo, gano'n mo konti, ah.
Ha?
Yan.
dapat doon sa taas, hindi makikita sa Mami.
Tabingi, Aldrin.
Sa taas na lang?
Dito dyan na
Hindi, ano lang sa background kayo yung staff. Yung important people.
Where can I tell them?
You're gonna...
Yes! One by one, ha?
I know the rules. I already have one.
Kahit ano, isip na lang kayo. Basta you're the first, second, third, pag ganun, ha?
First nga daw.
First nga daw si Bibi.
Oh, first BB pala.
Oh, first
I
BB.
didn't know, I didn't hear. Sige na.
Wait,
You have question na for us?
I have a question na.
Wait lang,
Get ready. Damihan nyo, ah.
Ano, naka-play na ba? Ganun, naka-play na. So, this is our vlog for today. Wow! So, hello, welcome to my vlog. Arat na, wala po kasi si Daddy Ray for today's video. Wow!
Dalihan mo na!
Ayun na, let's start na po.
Ask the first question.
Who's the most annoying in here?
Who's the most annoying daw?
At wala kasi, no?
Next, kuya.
Next.
Wait, labi ba ito pupukpok?
Ayan. Louder your voice so they can hear it at the background.
Who has the loudest voice in here? She always shout at me. She always shout.
Ito yung, ay, sakit ito. Ito lang ito. Ang sakit gago.
Uy, sakit tabi magagay. Okay, ito. Muna na lang kanina eh.
Who's prettier?
Prettiest?
Thanks!
Ah.
Dapat bote yung inampas mo.
Who's the most smartest?
Smartest?
Ah!
Next.
Next.
He thinking.
Faster!
Faster. It has to be fast because it's vlog, you know. Char.
Alright, so let's see. Who is ugly in here? Ugly. Ugliest. Ugliest. Sino ang most ugly? I was right.
Hindi ba to?
Bakit mo eh?
Next.
Who's the most maingay?
Di ba?
Loudest.
Yeah, another question.
Who's older?
Of course we know! Something that other.
Yeah.
Personality
That
or
Yeah.
question is
Who's
always
taller?
from your mommy.
Ano to, gusto ko lang yung masapak.
Who's taller?
No! Something.
that ano, that
Dapat dire-diretso eh.
Okay lang yan, pwede na may cut-cut yan eh.
I don't know.
Dali, who's the prettiest, who's the
Sa ano,
it's-
personality.
Ha?
Who's the sexiest?
Wala.
Look at.
Yung pala yun!
Bakit tatago ka ng mga tabaho sa akin? Next.
Are you okay?
Aray ko, parang may napapanak.
Who got a boyfriend first? Oh my god.
What? 20 plus na? Dapat may mga follow-up question. Ilang taon? 20 plus ako rin. Ba't
Who is
sila?
the most
Ito ilang taon nila?
Who is the most inactive?
Wait, and then we have to correct that.
Wag mo na ipaglaban!
May, how old? Ito Aray ko.
Who is the most inactive?
Ayun na, di ba? Ay, sagot na.
The most
I don't
inert
know.
It's
Siya,
okay.
siya.
Think of anything.
Personality or the...
Any personality.
Who's the most dumbest?
Oh my gosh. Dumbest daw.
Tito Cassius.
No.
Dumbest.
Who's masungit? Who's
Yun nga Bakit damis daw?
Who's the dumbest
Hindi alam ni Mami yun.
Ah.
Siya yung matalino tapos damis.
Alam mo ba yung dam? Sabi niya ba ano?
Damis, pabobo.
Oh, siya yun. Oh!
Dapat ganun siya sa sarili niya. Hindi niya nag-bet.
Ay, ganyan.
Next.
I already have something.
Ibe. Narinig ko yun. Sinabi mo. Come on. Who's the most?
Elijah muna.
Mana?
Elijah muna.
Who's the most smartest?
Natanong
Ready,
ko
set,
siya.
go.
Elijah.
My turn. Who's the most favorite child in here?
Yan!
Patay ka.
Patay!
Totoo.
Patay!
Patay ka.
Ay!
Favorite kong anak ka sa cellphone eh.
My favorite anak.
Di ba? It's the favorite.
Who's the
Oh, di ba?
most,
Hindi ko alam eh.
who's the most unfair? Who's the most
Unfair?
Unfair?
That's deep.
Teka muna. Unfair.
Aray ko!
Uy!
Uy! Tama ko yan eh!
That's unfair!
Ay!
Oh, that's unfair. Oh, that's unfair.
Oh, may video yan dun, oh,
That's
ano.
yung fair.
Why? Why?
Ah.
Why you?
Kasi
you
they're
said that?
pretty.
Ah, the...
So they're pretty and smart.
Oh.
Next.
Next, si Isha muna.
Dali naman.
Ganun.
Who's the most unfavorite child?
Unfavorite?
Unfavorite child.
There's no one favorite. All favorite.
Okay.
That's not true. Ay, yung favorite.
My turn. Yes, your turn.
Oh, may ano. I saw your
Your
naroon
turn.
What is
Dapat there
in
should be an
wait lang.
answer, no?
What do you
Ano?
What?
Ah,
Wait lang.
Ang paborito.
Wait lang. Si Bibi lang.
I saw it on Mommy's call and we were at Baguio. I saw it for a split second and she answered it immediately. And I saw she named the number ang paboritong anak ko.
Who is that? Me?
Diba?
And when she opened it, it was you.
But
Kunwari,
she not
ito.
give me money.
That's not my favorite. Game, go.
Next.
Is it prepared? Ha?
How about you have a question?
Who was the most naughtiest?
Not.
Naughty?
Baka hindi naintindihan naman.
Aray ko!
Yeah.
Tataka sila.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait, my mom is not naughty.
Natanggol ako ng mga anak ko.
Oo.
Naughty.
Who do you think is the most naughtiest?
Who do you think?
The
Me?
cautious and
Never ako na guidance.
Next. Dali mga question for school.
Even though you were,
I'll
you
go.
were getting asked, even though you're the most naughty.
O, di ba? Wala pang prepared ha?
Mm.
Kala mo.
Nag-ana agad
Dapat
eh.
prepared.
Go.
You said you have question.
In school.
You know,
About in school.
kasi i-explain
Yes.
ko bakit naughty si mama.
Who? No.
Dali, Aisha?
Who has more good grades? Who has the most good grades? More good grades.
Ah, thanks.
Yeah! Wow, you're so makulit,
yeah,
but you
yeah,
also
yeah.
have the most grades than I.
Wow. All.
Next.
So, sino yung hindi nyo naman
Si Isang na.
My turn to have. Who has the most friends?
Friend?
Who has the most friends? Friends!
Most friends,
Hindi,
marami
hindi pala naintindihan ito.
Hindi ko na. Kaya sabi ko
Aray
pag
ko.
si Vivian.
Galing ba sa
Hindi ko ma...
Who has the lowest grades? I was about to say that.
Pag may highest grade, may lowest grade. Who's
Next.
smart, who is the dumbest?
Next.
Again lang,
Dali na.
Think about not your mama. You always want to...
I'm devious.
Ano eh?
Wag nga, sakit nga eh.
I'm devious with this.
Go. Go,
Tagal!
Lobby.
Pag lobby, game ko na siya. Ay, bibe.
Who sneaked out a lot?
Sneak out, sino daw tumatakas?
A lot.
Mahilig tumakas.
Uy, aray! Hindi ako tumatakas!
Nahanap pa namin yan, ni Papa.
Sus, ayan na naman ang bento niya.
Who doesn't sneak a lot?
Saan ka
Wait lang. Ito din oh.
Uy! Bakit ako?
Hinahanap yun sa dance contest ni Daddy.
Isipin ko
Kakalbuhin.
ng bahay na to, saan ako lulusot? Wala na may ibang
Basta
lusutan.
huwag na ikaw, huwag kang paliwanag. Ikaw ang sinagot. Next, I love your questions. Next.
Who's always stays at home and does all the chores? And does all the
Parang wala naman. All the shores lang.
Isa lang muna, isa lang.
Ulit. Again.
Isa lang.
Stays
First,
at
mamaya na
home.
isa.
Who does all the chores at home?
Ha?
Who does all
Sino
the
daw
chores?
nagagawa ng chores sa bahay?
Uy, meron naman.
Nagkasawa ka na lang, kaya
Oh, go.
Next.
Aisha.
Ayun.
Ayun, Lily.
Who always stays at home? Wow!
True ba?
Mama
True ba?
stays
Yun lang.
out. Tita stays at
Ayaw
home.
nga pala.
Wow.
Si mama mo pa pala.
Ako din.
Kaya ka nga nakatatlo eh.
Who's the most greedy?
Greedy?
Hindi alam namin.
Greedy? Alam ko yun.
Ang sakit, babe. Wag mo saktaan. Tigas kaya.
Who's the most generous?
Janice.
Forgot ko na yung
Ah, ikaw.
Who fights a lot?
Yan.
Aray, may pwede ka.
Yan. Ang last na na.
Lalakas sa
Kasi
sakit.
may ano tayo.
Ang sakit.
Go. Sige.
Who stays up late all the time? Who
Ha?
stays up late all
Sino
the
daw
time?
nagpupuyat palagi?
Who stays up late all the time?
Alis ko. Pag ako natutulog, morning person ako.
VA.
Then,
Next. Next.
who is always the first one to wake up?
Yung mga ano
The
dapat,
first one
yung
to
mga...
wake up.
They want to know.
Oo, di.
Sa tingin mo, nung mga
Di.
bata kami.
Nakainis tuloy ako sa ano. Ibis na.
Sabi niya, oo, day.
Go.
O sila muna, maghahanap muna ako ng question.
Oh, go.
Diba?
Ito na marami na isip eh.
Let me think. Let me choose.
Like habits, ganyan.
Who's the
Something
most, who's the most picky?
picky eater,
With
picky
what?
in general.
Picky eater.
Picky eater daw.
Oh my God.
Next.
Mm,
Milo.
who eats all the food?
Yan.
Tama
Yan.
na kasaninang.
Uy, ayun din oh.
Ito din naman, laki na ito.
Uy, wow.
Hindi ah, choosy nga yan eh.
Picky eater daw.
Ayun na.
Diba?
Ayun na.
Back
Next.
to that roasted.
Next, go.
Wait. What's a family value that...
No.
Princess,
Go.
who's among the something?
Ha?
Who
Hula.
lang?
Lang, oh.
Search ka pa, mali.
Who lang?
Masungit, ganon.
Mga
Kaya
ganon.
nga.
O, yun na
Who's masungit? Who's
Who?
sexy?
Who's
the
give you,
cleanest,
ano?
mga ganon.
Let me think.
Huwag ka na mag-search
Ah,
na.
si Bibe.
Ayun na yung
tanong
tanong
mo,
mo.
Turuan mo siya, kuya.
And nothing inspirational.
Paturuan mo siya.
Game, Bibe.
Bibe, go.
Who is the most healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy.
May lagi na sa hospital yan. Ano, healthy. Lagi na sa hospital yung dalawang yan. Yan pati. Who is healthy nga eh.
Hindi, para lang ano absent.
Who is healthy? Lagi na sa hospital yung dalawang yan.
O at least healthy yung kinakain ko.
Meron ako.
Mm.
Who's the most expensive? Like
Magastos
Spender,
na lang.
spender.
Spender.
Expensive
Like,
spender.
Ah, sino talaga may totoo?
Yan! Gastos mo pala!
Sasabihin ko nga kung sino yung totoo
Gastos
eh.
Who uses less money?
Sino yung hindi pinakamagastos? Yung pinaka hindi magastos?
magastos.
Like it doesn't. Like they're just like saving their money and then save their money like they don't spend it.
Kuripot.
Sorry po.
Wait lang ah.
Hindi naman ako
Wait lang.
dapat ayun.
Wait lang. Ito, papaluin ko ah.
Si Donna naman, Donna, tanong ka, dali. Hindi kasi malaman.
Ah, ikaw. Oo.
Go,
Ayan na,
go.
go.
Game.
Wait, after me. Who spends the most money?
Dan na.
Ito na nga. Ikaw na.
Who got the most whooping when growing up?
Sino daw pinakamadalas na
Paloin.
Pinakamaraming
Sino?
palo.
Ay, daw, pinapalo ni Mami. Si Daddy
Ako
lang pinapalo
talaga.
sa akin.
Napalo ni Mami.
Okay.
Kwento mo. Belt. Hanger. Pero kay Tita
Walis
Lowy.
tambo.
Walis tingting. Mas malupit kay Tita Lowy. Mula kala Rose Ann papunta dito. Ay, bumuwi ka dito! Ganon.
Slippers.
Go.
Everything. Hanger.
na.
Ikaw daw na ng tanong.
Oh.
Kahit Tagalog na kasi mga bata English.
Hindi ba magaling? English?
Para may panlaban daw siya. Wala kasi siyang English. Yun na lang yung representative.
Ma, I have one.
Wisdom.
Go.
Who's the funniest?
Who's the funniest?
Siyempre.
Sino?
Tripo?
Ganun.
Next.
Who doesn't make a lot of jokes?
Yun na nga yun eh. Teka,
Hindi daw
na.
sino
Kabaliktara
nag-joke.
naman. Kabaliktara. Sino yung hindi pala joke? Wait lang.
Sino yung hindi pala joke?
Ah.
Ikon. Ay, who's
Go.
Who's the most likely to get arrested?
Ay, magaganda yung question.
Ano yan?
Sino yung sa tingin mo mahuhuli
I
daw ng
know na.
police?
Ay, ayoko yan.
I
Hindi
know
yung
na.
most likely lang. Sino?
Most likely.
Most likely lang.
Si Donna muna. Si Donna.
Ayan. Si Tita Dara, dire-diretso ang
Eh,
tatanong. ha?
paluin mo na.
Go!
Mm.
Ano pa? Dali, dire-diretso. 5 questions kay Tita Dara.
Who's the most athletic?
Athletic daw.
Ay, sino mga athletic sa inyo? Ay, siyempre.
No.
Paano si ate?
Hello mo.
Nagsuswimming ako, nagbabasketball ako.
Bakit? Ayan.
Ayun ako, kahit mataba ako. Nagbubundok ako.
Nagbabalibol ako.
I have one.
Okay.
Who plays a lot?
Laro.
Like outside. Like who plays a lot outside?
Ayun o.
Ako.
Kaya
Si
si
Tita Donna
Donna muna.
Sino ang... Pikon.
Teka lang ha, ito po. Mm.
Men,
Who's the most rule follower?
Ha?
Who's the most rule follower?
masunurin.
Who follows the rules?
Masunurin
Who
daw.
follows the rules?
Akala ko rude.
Sino ang pinakamasunurin?
Ako na to.
Mama.
Asan na?
Masunurin sa mga
Masunurin.
utos mo. Parang gano'n.
Masunurin sa'yo.
Pag sinabi mong bawal.
Oo,
Yung sunod talaga.
talagang nasunod sa'yo.
Mama mas...
Parang hirap na hirap siya.
Isipin mo yung totoo ha.
Ako na.
Yung totoo. Yung totoo. Pwede. Yung totoo, sino yung masunurin talaga sa tingin mo?
Pagkakapiling.
Hindi. Inaano ko lang sa kanya, sino yung masunurin?
Wow!
Doon na question.
Ba, masunurin ka?
Go. Ayan si Bibi.
I kind of now forgot my question.
Sorry. Next.
Si Tita Donna.
Ay, Bobby.
Ikaw na.
Iisip pa dahil ka.
Ikaw.
Who's the most like mom?
Huh?
Like they act like the mom.
Parang kalabas sa kapatid.
Magulang. Yan.
Ayan, nanay.
She's the,
He's-
eldest.
She's the ate.
And I'm the bunso.
I know na.
Ah,
Who's the most like dad?
parang tatay naman daw.
Sino daw yung pinaka-personality ay malapit kay daddy? Yun ang ibig sabihin.
Akala ko yung parang...
Most like dad.
Oo.
Most like
Personal
daw.
daw ni Daddy.
Personal ni dad.
Next.
Who studied a lot?
Mama mo pasawa yan!
Who studied a lot? Who
Uy, study alat daw.
studied a lot? Studied a lot. Studied a lot.
Study alat daw.
I study a lot.
Ako.
Ha?
I study a lot.
Okay.
Uy, ako yun.
Never ako nawala sa
Grabe sa'yo.
Who's the most aggressive?
Ako nga
aggressive.
wait, kayo ako nagiinom. Nag-i-study.
You guys are forgetting me.
Kaya ako sa study button.
Ikaw
At
muna, ikaw muna.
Elijah muna.
Now I forgot my sentence. Wow, you guys.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, you
Gayo.
remember it later.
Yeah.
Who's the most aggressive? Yeah, I asked that.
Dan na, di ba?
Dan na. Oh,
Si Mama.
Bobby na.
Wait, no.
Nakaikot na to.
Next, next.
Who's the most laziest?
Ha?
Who's the most laziest?
Ladies?
Lazy.
Tamad. Akala ko lady.
Lazy,
Be,
yes.
yung tamada, ano yan ha, general, hindi lang yung...
Ang talaga, ano pa, defensive
Hindi,
eh.
hindi yung walang work ha.
Defensive,
Be,
defensive.
tama. Yan. Hindi pa paliwanag ko lang.
Ayaw mo lang masapak
Kuya,
eh.
kuya.
Who always misses the exam?
Who always misses the exam daw?
Mm.
Uy, hindi Oo, kasi wala. Late yung tuition.
Oh.
Wow, you're so irresponsible.
Late
Wow!
yung tuition fee. Mamimiss ko talaga yung exam.
Okay,
Ay,
next.
siya.
Who's the rebel child?
Ano yun?
Rebel child?
Rebel child.
What's rebel?
Na-
I don't know.
Yung
Rebellious.
nakikipaggera sa
You go against your parents.
O, di ba?
Hindi ko natin anak ko. I'm not a rebel.
Yung children are so disappointed.
O, ano pa?
Most lang.
That's why nga. That's why pala, when I'm sleeping, pinapalo mo
O,
ko.
yan! Di ba?
Wala naman akong ginagawa.
Yan!
Ano, mag-uusap tayo mamaya.
I have one. Who had
Therapy
the
session.
most boyfriends?
Di patay ka.
Or girlfriend. Or
Yes.
girlfriend, ha?
Patay ka. Oh, may tanong.
That's not true.
Ikaw na?
Who has the most?
Tatlo lang ako.
boyfriends or girlfriends?
The most?
You have 4 boyfriends.
Oh,
Boyfriend,
No,
ha?
not for only.
Boyfriend.
boyfriend.
No.
Ito.
Oh.
Kuya! Sila kaya!
Uy, uy.
Uy, hindi si ate.
Hindi siya
Hindi,
tinayan.
Sa
Hindi
dami.
ako, ha?
May Hendrix.
Tatlo naman.
Wait lang. Hendrix, may,
Friend lang
may
yun.
Gio, may...
Yun.
Ang dami.
Ilang black? Ilang black?
Ilang
Oh,
black?
bakit na may sinabi ako pag boyfriend? Tatlo lang.
May
Friend lang
Meron pa yung
yun.
basketball player.
Cover your ears. Who has the most fubu? Oh.
Ah,
Ano?
oh.
Ege, ano?
Tingnan mo nga. Hindi mo nga bubu. Hindi na makakalasin.
What?
Sino lang nag-skip na?
Kakating.
Kat yan.
Hindi ako
Hindi, meron akong
nagkakating.
nag-cutting.
Never ako nagkakating.
Yung over, sir.
Boy, hindi ako nagkakating kahit high school.
Ako na lang.
Oh, ayan pa. Hindi ako nagkakating. Oh, ito, hindi ako nagkakating. Oh.
Hindi ko alam kung sino nagkakating kasi.
Wait lang.
Wala nagsi eh.
Si Donna meron daw siya eh. Ano?
Dana.
Sino ang madalas maglayas?
Yun. I'm confident.
Maglayas. Eh kasi isang beses ka lang lumayas, hindi ka na sumali.
Kaya nga,
Sabi
maglayas, hindi pinalayas. Ito yun, me ha. Ako 3 beses mo ako pinalayas. Pero isang beses lang ako lumayas.
Bebe,
Magkaiba
edit
yun.
mo yan. Kaya kati-kati. Ma-edit mo yun.
Oo, wala akong time.
Ano ba yan?
Magkaiba yun ha.
Ano pa?
30
Who got a
minutes.
house first?
Ha?
Who got a house first?
Wala pa.
Wala. No one.
Ito pa rin, guguho na.
Like the first one.
Rented.
Yeah, the first one who rented.
Ah, we
Me,
know.
because I'm ano eh.
Ate, because
Second.
tita is
Ako
ako din.
Okay, mano na?
Next.
I thought Tita was the youngest.
Oh, ikaw. Tita.
Me, yeah, that's the
Ganun
first.
kasi. Huwag ka magmadali. Ay, siya, ganun. Yung
Ah,
take
Lydia.
turns, take turns.
Okay,
I
next.
got it now.
Aisha.
Next. Later, you will
Who's
remember.
most likely to win the Hunger Games?
Hindi alam ni Mami yung Hunger
Ilan
Games.
mo?
Ano?
Alam niya, tinanong namin.
Sino daw sa tingin mo parang pwedeng manalo
Paglaban sa
sa...
Hunger Games.
Oo, mananalo kung sasali daw kami. Most likely. May translator.
Pwedeng 3.
Isa lang.
Isa
Most
lang.
nga eh, most.
Most or top 1, gano'n.
Meron ako.
Top
Ay talaga, kap si ate.
Galing.
Dapat si ate, isang survive.
Feeling ko, ako nga dapat eh.
Diba ako yung nag-analyze?
Si ano na, Bobby, ikaw na.
Paano siya mananalo yan? Ligat niya, ang laki niya.
Kaya ko tumakbo mo.
Oo, athletic kasi ate din.
So next.
Next.
Oh, next, Bibe.
Yes, kuya.
Ay, just stop that.
Tita Dana, si Tita Dana.
Kaya nga, let's just stop it.
Sino pinakamaingay?
Meron na
Meron na kanina, wala kasi si Doda kanina.
Boom, boom, boom. Pinakamatapang.
Pinakamatapang. Wala akong may cellphone. Ah! Aray!
May, ampasin mo yung sarili mo. May. Ampasin mo yung sarili mo. Pinakamatapang pala eh. Pinakamatapang daw. Dapat siya.
Oh, ikaw.
Oh, next. Donna.
Iba,
Habibe.
who's, who's the most coward?
Howard.
Wag.
Duwag.
Mayroong magsalita.
Next.
Who always plays on the phone?
Oh, who always plays on the phone.
Parating naka-cellphone.
Sabi ni Tawan.
Like when they wake up, they play on the phone immediately.
Hmm.
Ito naman nakikita yun.
Good enough.
Sa tingin mo, sino?
Sinong magdamag parati hawak?
Ikaw.
Hoy, hindi.
TikTok.
Hindi
Walang
ako,
tulog, walang tulog.
hindi ako ma-cellphone, me.
Nagwo-
Sa lahat sa amin, feeling ko ito.
Stop.
Wala akong play sa phone.
Ako lang. I just play on your phone.
Siyang
Dali
nagpupuno.
na. Hindi mo nakikita.
Who's the most dramatic?
Yan!
Yan!
Sa cellphone, ito oh, hindi nga ako naglalaro kahit wala akong...
Dramatic.
Dramatic?
na!
Nasa dramatic na.
Yan,
Ay,
drama.
kaya wait lang ha.
Tatlo, no? Top
Who
3.
gets the most compliments?
Ano?
Who gets the most compliments?
Sino yung madalas daw napupuri?
Napupuri daw.
Basta trabaho nila, ano, sa lahat ha, hindi lang sa work, sa mga friends, sa mga relatives.
Favorite ako, favorite.
Sino mahilig mag-bot sa
I
sarili?
don't bribe.
Ano bang
No,
napupuri?
no bribing, no bribing.
Ano,
bribing
Oh,
daw.
Bribing
Hindi.
daw.
I'm just
Oh, sige,
telling
ikaw
that
na.
who is the most
Who gets the most?
talented
Ano?
like that.
Ayaw maniwala.
Mama.
Yes, that should be mama.
Parang mahilo ko sa kakampas. Parang hilo talaga ako.
Kasi inano ka ng ano next.
Ayan, kaya na lang. Hilo ko sa hampas eh.
Game.
Matigas pala yun.
Maraming prepared si Donna eh.
What?
Si Aisha na kayo.
Ba't ganun eh?
Hindi, tapos na siya kakali pa ng tanong.
Oh, si Aisha.
Aisha.
I haven't asked yet.
Okay, dali na.
Sige na.
Dapat nag-prepare ka na
Kasi
kasi.
naka-record tayo.
Who is always the person that vandalizes their books? Like who vandalizes their books a lot?
Baka you, both of you. Baka both of you.
Or ano,
Because you
back,
just thought of that.
in the back on the notes.
So you're vandalizing your
Back,
books.
back on the note.
Oo, totoo.
In the back on the
I don't
notebook.
Naisip nila eh.
Hindi
You
ko
vandalize
nakikita.
eh.
Ganun talaga sila.
No one.
Puro
Me, I
drawing.
don't. I never did that.
See, that's why you should never do it.
Yeah, I think no one
We're
because
not
you
even
couldn't
doing
think.
it. My
Oh,
friends
yeah,
does
Ano
it.
mama yan?
My friends
Oh,
does it.
none of us did it.
Mag-drawing.
Oh, so none of us.
Because ano, I don't
That's
trust.
why I gave you a whole notebook to vandalize.
Hmm. So it's
I
not
know,
Just draw in
normal.
your book.
Because ano, I don't have ano,
I don't draw in my
I don't have.
books.
Aisha! Aisha, next.
What's that? Who's most mentally ill?
Matik. Your mom!
Kung gusto mo, ano nito na.
Ito.
Why hindi ako mentally ill ko?
Ayun, oh.
Hindi na mental na
Uy,
ill
wag na
mo
ganun na
ako.
lang. May yan, sakit mo.
I have one.
Kaya pati ako nahahawa sa'yo.
Who's always grounded? Who's always grounded?
Hindi uso sa amin.
Stop waiting sa mama.
No, wala yun. There's
Who,
no...
who is always
There.
grounded? Like,
Wala
Hindi,
kang
ito.
grounded sa
Di
amin.
uso sa amin grounded dati.
Kasi they...
Na ano lang, sinong pinapanood
Because all
sa
of
mundo.
us,
Sumusunod.
all of us, we go home.
Ah,
on
yes,
time.
yes.
We always follow. Like, when mom says you have to be home by 5 or 6,
Oh, mom says that don't use your phone. No phone.
we follow.
Mm.
We follow
I
pa.
will
The only grounds in the washing machine. Diba? Saksak and ground. And the fish is wet and saksak the washing machine. Ground.
Next.
organized.
Organize.
Organized.
Organize.
And who forgets to
Lahat ng gamit yan, ma.
No, no.
Madonna!
The thing about me
Tanong.
mapagbigay.
Meron na
Tapos na
kanina,
kanina.
Jenny.
Ako yung pinangalo.
My turn.
No feeling. Next. Next down.
Which I please don't forget about me. Who always gets out of trouble?
Ha?
Who always gets out of trouble? Out of trouble.
Ah, out of trouble?
Yeah, who gets out of trouble.
Nagutom ako din.
Ako din, nagutom ako eh.
Oo.
Tara, kain na tayo.
Ha?
Tama na.
Tara, bye! Gutom kami. Merry Christmas.